yen sake no on
men ka se yen sake no reshuffle no nka no
on fa nko ba bi ufro
Jeff record how me important for me reshuffle no ba na nka ma me no enya no nko a o kai say that Lumba wuye no o ko Ghana tourism page o no activity
bibia nkoso
asante hema yie no na other prominent ne ba akokoso no activity me who statement na museums for the bar so ma to port ni renovation there renovation there say be only 1 day 2 days be no I don't support it e be betimi abu akunipa ba the question is that January e buy February e buy March e buy April buy February kwa kwa May e buy June buy July buy September buy August by November by October na November na December yakokwa na wo ye ja na 2024 fa ye be di Christmas na so kopa dan so aye roof ni year is a roof ni start leaky December you see President Mahama appointees you know ebi modern bono honestly e wo form there should be a major reshuffle. Because statements, you know, and you see, there are people who always support anything, but who can't even the comment under statement conform news of you know NDC people. They are disappointed in the minister. December drew a man for Beko baby no formula called German, Yan renovation. Now, I'm telling you, statement, okay, okay, date in a statement about 20th for the 19th December. Barely 1 week to Christmas, no. And he had 4 major portum as a castles and a fortum say yeah be renovation. If you mean Christmas we ban oh yeah said the almost the stupid virgins me boy yam planning yam planning
onim se ne ngo besa
yam planning President Mahama should reshuffle and tourism minister Meninsa na yam ame Gomashie where movie da obi a penasem ba say ahonkeka no wo fom Abranti Baba Sadiki 3 music guy say edun betimi aye na simple me boy ya wadaland bi on ye na yi or the artist ko gu wuram ko chep inferior or the buy sa banze mu ni nto mo man position ubetimi atan Kufuado ompena asem ne ade ba one appointee of President Kufuado ye adwuma pa de bia me apart from Professor Kobna Ghana Statistical Service eya branch ya no wo Ghana Tourism Authority no your friend is akwasi bibi agema ye say de ben de ben o ye adwuma data is there in fact BBC dey tell you the buy kra no akokwa who share the kind of nipe bag Ghana.
Yeah. 1 point. I gave the stats. 2024. Yeah. 1.29 million.
Yeah.
1.29 million.
Bag Ghana nisika almost 3 point something billion.
Yeah. We have 4.8 billion.
This year, what means I say phobia. No, those parties be wo. But say for another form kakra. Mama no me dey me
because people who can say no. A mama for a disappointed. And another man can say we be all percent fort.
This is BBC. This is BBC current story now. Charlie, the number of statistics. In fact, Nipokra no president, the next professor Kobe Mensa, and so no Ghana Tourism Development Company. No.
Yeah.
On what say and this man of the question was so prof one applauded last year near course no. I see sometimes the leaders no me dream maybe one mentia we ye ja. December mu na so be pada so abodan so. How?
Seriously. This it
doesn't make sense. Papa no me there. President Mahama to so can bu push na do ya the tourism woman na ninko ho. Minister na ho keka no e wo fom.
Right.
Yen kan no krenche nipa. Minister na ho keka no e wo fom. Say reshuffle bi say kan fen kan. That statement alone e say board no crack e pam wom.
I don't fault the board. Eugene, the board were just inaugurated last month. That is November 19th or so. Yeah. So until they are just about a month old.
But that time
say ombeko rounds crana and mostly no director no ethical advice from the board and all that. Until the more benefit of the doubt say the board itself was young but the minister has been there for several months. That was my problem.
Now I and I make us and
as a minister
ayokwa so by structural integrity of a building and ye dey no and I test and ye dey na decide so rehabilitation
definitely
certainly there will be a process akoso say e down way dey say the cement kakra koka no we dey say the paint ko fa we dey say koyese they should be telling us a time ben as a report no buy na den ti no ma twen December because you know share one of the key things that they be na kojo dan to akachire e bit mama yisika akokwa me no na ye research na tourism share okwa country bi omu stories and ye what story omu ni castles ni photo ayade bibibi oko 6 p.m. and library keke amanfu trace kako
wo okra stone ke
ye de no ye de na nkasa ayade a esiye
Israel nya ne yekofa bo okra ya ba
e bit bi kodu ban so kwhwe fountain ba ye wo stories esiye nkrofo a fam ni ade these are natural stories
na obi akọ Israel say okohe Jordan o okoduru ya ese de barricade as your Jordan as you say yatum obi antimi I mean just say
it be racial for minister ba ko say Canada tourism minister no na gen say an keka no ofom enthusiasm e so de shade ni me ofom me say one agency akufuado ba breso here adwuma pe Ghana tourism obi oba ka no kure bia
and it's evident by the revenue omo generate here
me say BBC article
4.8 billion and yes.
And no man care for my man on the letter you know collapse so imagine your coaches ye oko David speaker bagwe no sasabi no say friend daga
dance
yeah documentary be Jessica Netflix the woman can benefit for trawa man Netflix have face kana kodi
so
you indigenous court na say not me say me obi kwa boabi mfema monkey sanctuary
okay
ogugu kura na me won ho na escanty say na nice BBB attractive BBB. Oh, we need to do this because you see akokwa there was stories I to no na man for the maintenance a we ala mo na kena iso bambo no mo show some brocha for no mo pew na sa akoda no rap out me when say klama what that say bo so mo not a part one na shatala out me part to say Jamaica ni what I said mo pe we ala mo say indigenous music on say instrument no mo de bono sa asano do mo costume no sa no mo pe look na ya tran say be innovation is December as sometimes as adwen adwuma krakakra the kind statement and that was the impression as sabe and I couldn't fathom how say release the public statement
18th well close then you release
1 week to December 25th December it's innovation hu ba na akra nke ya innovation na wie ya hyehyɛ jams bi kama bi wo ho ya pe indigenous dance bibia basa ya plan bibia
I'm really disappointed.
I was very disappointed in the minister especially the bia musu see am creatives ya mom this woman is from the creative industry kan okura pa for politics so December and ya to castle baby a tourism sector be my in fact places no mutum UNESCO certified fort
amount for call power
and to him baby a kasi bibi UNESCO certified that say obi ba Ghana ha no person onya baby e be call be man credibility onsuro so we the bibi no be na sa ne man bi no mo hwe okọ online course e baby a UNESCO UN aban ni nyina approve say ha de culture papa koso ha betimi akọ indigenous culture preservation ni bibia wo ho no yes ya tu. And you see, we need the same thing as the road tolls now. Minister, you did not try to say what zero rating. The minister must answer to us. Kwa was any part time crime the coin embassy there, you lose revenue.
Oh yeah.
Financial loss to the state in the Bini.
Yeah. Seriously.
This minister must answer questions.
Yeah.
Country, you be the attraction near the politics are tough.
Only the name of maintenance.
Because you a Charles is a national theater maintenance one. March and Yakoye. Yeah, chance November near by any home prayer, there be. Are they? Oh, my name, think, young person when you be giddy mind. Just be proactive.
You crowns will say,
just be proactive.
I bet Santana Munina crowns.
On the deputy Ghana tourism.
Just say,
oh, just be proactive. And the Biana we always miss an opportunity to miss opportunity. You see, Ede and Kobiko no could £100 or crana. In Kababwa.
Right.
So, me Baba Sadek a Brantiano.
Yeah.
President Mahama consider no. You mean that Baba Sadek no the three music. No, yet three music also our ideas.
Yeah.
So, Ashanti Regional Minister. All jokes aside, she enthusiasm be about region. You see,
tourism
and young person sometimes any experience that be bibia many part opportunity baba sadiki me da me nsia da but ocean social media activities tree music money sana man no ye no Wonderland festival bet me gugu se nete o enthusiasm you bet media yes aduma no ya man kwan na won ye because you see me dey bia na po kan sem bi oni ye no ni apani o man kwamna sante nti wo see budget no retain 6.10 unim nentia say budget me bi e won bia ye ma me no
yeah.
And that was a brilliant submission. That's my point.
Sure.
So don't Mahama buy ye mama no.
Okay.
And ye so I never said DP a brand. Second in Ona na bia to adwin say the pension we okay almost lose can afi na or friend. So what I say into mine ye man ye bi. So nice people anki bomu wo ho.
Yeah.
Any ade omunya se pewe bi ade ombe mom we na take so politics na ma me no onya de me dia me hu ni ye me madwen no oni me disagree fine racial for na nka no
right
minister sibu wa 1 year ba o 1 year technically aba ni
aka some few megan days na ya trade regeneration
ya nyade
it's a bad decision at this
ya nyade na ha ne use opportunity renovation mom nya renovation papa bi enya bibi o mo banya 1 year ne esan be ko na san me ne German fo bi ko kwa me nkroma yi
right
yeah can the pictures ne buy Charlie Ekufuado ya de o ko no kwa me ko museum no me ra dan bim audio visuals nti ura sa dan ne ma kwa me nkroma speeches ne kwa na wo te ene ni videos na kasa kira sa de ni unum se kodu wo no abrofo no akokwa they are impressed by these things unum se nkroma book no ni CD bia wo bi to close to about $500 no so bi se me say
Dubai
Melting Foundation
no mo ba my year tonton Ghana
mekoye media repertoire ma we nyi se we ye ko art center na me ko woda ye ntalie ya akokwa he na African way how many times am she foreign yi unsa da am she fugu African way at 350 no atobi to be 10 India ni bi no ato bando sanya manema no Eden yanko bi be to bi ho wo ma na bia na eden abono because of your decision and your leadership akokwa de bia we take decision and inside decision wo gina the larger scale
right
so guide no no ko bobra na do bi bete pono e bi ono de kota kuko bi ma na famo won sika bono obi okoto nso
livelihoods ahodo a
president Mahama man na nko sa ministry
sure
gender minister answer your start boy your start jan so say was start kind of
active
na mo latin so mo makoche your boy yi ni sa na ese ye yensunsi omsu na enye ye because ye a eye ma me no egu ma me ne wa enya aban ko mo ni be lusu election akode but the corporate entity Ghana no will be the one that suffers and we must not elect ministers yehu na say how do tourism ministry welcome mama just 1 minute
updates no ma sa
o de wa ko Facebook na ko tourism ministry and I come website in this December na just update saying and ekoso Black Sheriff a show guarantee Transbank a show pictures
Kofi na nsinya kra
pictures by now ya post so Black Sheriff show ni see pictures GT Bank there no ya post who said who be bia
events e koso bebre we
who said who be bia
and that's where new media social
media disappointed one ton ho and na me catch robi critical analysis 10 million views so and kakran social media na won obi awo it one minister no nka 1 minute bia won map the Black Shadow show no and bia won ma certain update bi won to inform bi won private media houses makope go say bibia no wa ba Black Shadow show no yen Kofi Kinata made in tadi bibia ni ho kwaku smoke revive a beautiful concert skit ni ade bibia ni ho what for social media for be month be 5 the camera be no mo did one chicha be na building excitement
tourism centers crowd there say monya media guys kakra bi wo area ho ade cause every day people come in and out enti mo benya events post no be
headless YouTuber you see sometimes you question me menka bibia obi be say mental man headless YouTuber
ye fasima me
eko ebono wa ho abrantia no so wa ye shaper nipa 6 million be kumi okọ ni video no post wo YouTube no ebono wa 170,000
but tourism authority
pay meanwhile you can monitor sales ko yet yes encourage taxes na FM na mu nya sika meanwhile the content is there it will the Black Sheriff Kasaya o timi ko twa rails
na o mo kra the tourism authority content does They are not utilizing it.
Charlie, Ukom website to a tourism ministry Ghana. Ukom website to be papa be any ho. Young kind of you have the 10 articles are making. The BBC natural true.
Right.
Google credible ones. The BBC.
Just
I terrible. I terrible, and they need to check some of these things.
Right.
They need to check it. Last time on Posi Okowa, latest story. Last one Posi on November 20th. Current here, but only then Ghana's fashion industry 2.4 billion, contribute 3% in GDP.
What's it? November saying?
December 20th. Sorry, December 20th. Okay. Oh, pictures, no, because I know na attractive. Oh, tidal waves here, Maya, where move and attractive man. Until next time, let's see a tidal wave. No, me say, my daughter get that to her. And my catch room chat there, the one the M. Wow. Okay, you Eugene Osei-Tutu to the fact checker.